Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi guys, how are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Allah. Alhamdulillah. I am also well, thanks. Viewers, do you know what's the meaning of table, college, mobile, television, computer? What? You don't know? Surprise. You use it every day. You don't know what it's called, what's the meaning, what's the Bengali meaning of table, college, mobile, television, computer? Okay, no problem. Okay, let's start. Table. চৌপায়া, কলেজ, মহাবিদ্যালয়, মোবাইল, মুঠোফোন, টেলিভিশন, দূরদর্শন, কম্পিউটার, গণনী। Thank you very much.